Starting tomorrow, drinking ice cold water at 9 in the morning could change your life and help you lose up to 6 pounds week after week. When I first started doing this, my coworkers laughed at me. They even started calling me the ice lady because I always showed up with a giant cup of ice water and a bag full of ice cubes. Little did they know, those ice cubes were actually helping me lose weight. A few months later, the joke stopped. I had dropped 2 inches off my waist and had to buy smaller clothes. And guess what? Suddenly they were all asking me what I did. Since I'm not the kind of person who keeps secrets, I sent them the same page where I discovered this ice water hack. A few weeks later, all those coworkers who used to be overweight started showing up with their own cups of ice water. And that's when I got to have a little fun teasing them back. If you want to check out this page and see how I lost weight without strict diets or crazy workouts, click the button below. I promise, it's nothing like anything you've heard before.